Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete YouTube search and watch history. To start this tutorial, open and locate your YouTube application in your mobile device. Now tap on your profile photo on the upper right and then tap on Settings, the gear icon. Once in Settings, tap on Manage All History. Now just click on the account where you want to manage the history. Now wait for it to finish loading. In here, you can now choose an option to auto-delete all of your YouTube history. It's all up to you, or you can follow the settings on my screen. Then tap on Next once you're satisfied. Then click OK. And now you can delete here today, custom range, or all time, depending on which you want to delete. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.